If you're in the market for a mid-sized truck, you gotta check this one out. This 2018 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 with TRD Sports Package with this 6.2-foot box is available at Kramer Mazda. This is a local Alberta-driven truck, comes from its original owner with just over 82,000 kilometers on it. This pickup crew cab is equipped with a 3.5 V6 engine and automatic transmission and is perfect for both on and off-road driving. This truck is loaded with safety and comfort features like leather heated seats, lane departure, dual zone climate control, full infotainment system with touchscreen, backup camera, navigation, sunroof, and so much more. Accessories like side step boards, rubber mats, spray liner in the box, and towing hitch are already installed on this truck from the previous owner. This truck is in excellent condition and is fully inspected at our certified shop. Come check this Tacoma out today at Kramer Mazda.